Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build fluency with Busuu detailed guide step by step clearly. To build fluency with Busuu, start by creating an account on the platform. Choose the language you wish to learn. Once registered, explore the layout of the app or website. Familiarize yourself with the main sections such as vocabulary, grammar, and speaking exercises. Begin with the placement test if you are unsure of your proficiency level. This test will help customize your learning path. Set specific goals for your language learning journey. Determine how many minutes a day you can dedicate to studying. Utilize the personalized study plan feature to stay on track. Make it a habit to practice daily, even if it's just for a short time. Start with beginner lessons if you are new to the language. Engage with vocabulary exercises to build your word bank. Use the grammar section to understand essential rules and structures. Incorporate speaking practice using voice recognition technology. Listen to native speakers and repeat phrases for pronunciation practice. Take advantage of Busuu's interactive community features. Participate in writing practice by submitting texts for feedback. Engage with other learners and native speakers in the community. Join conversations and practice your speaking skills regularly. Monitor your progress through the app's tracking features. Adjust your goals as you improve to challenge yourself further. Explore cultural tips and real-life scenarios to enhance your understanding. Consider using supplementary resources such as books or podcasts. Stay committed and patient with your learning process. Celebrate small victories to keep motivation high. Keep revisiting previously learned material to reinforce your knowledge. As you grow more confident, tackle more advanced lessons and exercises. Incorporate activities that align with your interests, such as music or films in your target language. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.